Looking for a strong hook rack for towels, coats, bags? Today I'll show you how to install our Cascade Iron hook rack. These racks are made in the US at our metal shop and work great in entryways, bathrooms, mudrooms, or closets. Installing your hook rack is simple with just a few basic steps and tools. We include 2-inch lag bolts for installing into wood studs and toggle bolt anchors for drywall installation. Because these have matching hex heads, a combination can be used. 1 toggle bolt, 1 lag bolt, depending on if you hit a stud or not on the other side. Today we'll be using toggle bolts for installing directly into drywall. First, confirm the rack size and placement. Use painter's tape and a level to mark a straight line where the top of the coat rack will sit. Next, hold the rack in place and mark the mounting hole locations along the length of the line. Then we will pre-drill the pilot holes. For wall studs, drill a 3/16 pilot hole for the lag bolts. We're installing into drywall, so we'll be using a 1/2-inch drill bit. Once the holes are drilled, we'll secure the rack by inserting the toggle bolts and tightening. Check our separate toggle bolt video for specifics on how to use these anchors. As with our other hardware, we advise using a wrench or socket. We discourage using an impact driver as they can over torque the bolts and cause it to break. Once installed, your rack is strong, secure, and ready to use. Perfect for coats, towels, bags, and everyday storage. If you're installing into brick or concrete, we have specialized separate hardware for masonry applications. If you're tackling more home projects like this, follow our channel for more installation tips, hardware guides, and project ideas.